Okay, so let's give this a shot. I just put the starter back on and we're gonna give this a shot. So turn the key on, click. So on these old tractors down there, I don't know if you can see if it'll focus. So that says S for those that don't know. So you push the shifter up. So what happened was it had just started and I bumped the shifter by mistake, and that's what happened there. So now that should be ready to go. Pull the choke. Oh, I can't really hold the phone and pull the choke. Anyways, let's just see if it'll crank. Well, seems to work, but the starter still seems to be stuck. Okay, so as I suspected, as soon as the motor kicks, it actually kicks the starter off, so we're good. So let's see if we can get this baby to do something. Almost. Next time. Oh, not the choke. Perfect.